Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and I'm over here at the bottom of the desert area, which is sort of to the easternmost side of the map in Palworld. This like big chunk here is the desert over here, and this is where you go if you want to capture Sekhmet. And Sekhmet is one of the best handiwork pals in the game right now that you can currently catch. And this is where you're going to run into them if you want to catch one. They're around the early 40s, late 30s kind of a level, and they're relatively easy to catch if you actually want to get one. You just got to be careful because they can also be kind of ornery. So make sure you bring your Ring of Mercy if you're a little bit higher level like me. And then don't accidentally use the wrong pal sphere. Although that was kind of funny there. That's the power of the homing pal spheres that you get from having Lunaris in your party. Oh, this is taking more than I thought. Then boom, now we have Sekhmet in our party, and this one came with Burly Body. So let's see if we can find a few more of these. So down here we've got those running dodo-like critters. And then we've also got, oh, I forget the name of this. This is one of the ones, Robin Quill, that just got a new reworks. Their visuals are a little bit different in 1.0. Then there's the giant scorpion, Menasting. Or Menasting? I'm not sure. I'm sure it's trying to sound like Menace is in the name. Ah, here we go. Here's another Sekhmet. So basically all over this lower peninsula here, you can find lots of Sekhmets. It's just a matter of waiting for one to spawn because, well, there's quite a few things that like to spawn right in here, including those giant tortoises that look like they're made out of a house or like a big box. So we're just gonna pop you a couple of times and then that'll be it. Oh, I guess we're gonna need more than one of these balls to catch them. There we go. So anyway, that's where you find Sekhmet. It's just in this desert. There's quite a few things that you'll find in this desert that are particularly useful to have in your party. So I suggest you come on by, grab a couple of the teleport locations, and go hunting. Alright, so here's my Sekhmet. And Sekhmet has 6 handiwork right out of the gate, level 6. Which is only 4 away from being completely maxed out, which isn't bad. And it says here, while at base, boosts Anubis's work speed by 20%, increases the efficiency by 30% if Sekhmet is also working at a workbench, workshop, or other related facility. So this is actually a character that stacks with Anubis to become an extra efficient worker. So you pair her with an Anubis back at base, and you are quite literally golden, not just in the color scheme of the fact that these come with a little headband. So yeah, that's how you find and where you go to unlock Sekhmet for your base. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.